Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Lexmark device. I have Lexmark NB2236i device, so it's Lexmark 2200 series. And now I'm going to show you how to scan on your PC using Lexmark device. So, first thing to install all Lexmark drivers. You need to open Chrome browser, then find here support Lexmark, find supportlexmark.com website, find here your printer, so right here your printer's model. I have NB2236i, MB, so sorry, not MP, but MB. Click on it. Here you will see Windows drivers and downloads. Just click on it. You will see in downloads your this file software. You will download this software. So download it, install and reload your PC. Then download Naps 2 application, it's completely free. Naps 2. So download this application, it's completely free. You can use it completely for free and don't pay for anything. And great. Now click scan and choose the printer. I have only one printer, but my printer is connected using a USB cable and using a Wi-Fi network. So here is my Wi-Fi. Here is my internet connection, and here is my USB connection. So as you can see now, when I will disconnect my printer from my computer using USB cable, I will see only one Lex printer here. As you can see. Now I have only one Lexmark printer. It's here, only Microsoft, and click OK. By clicking OK, you will scan document. Now I will connect to the computer using USB cable. Wait for it, and as you can see now. So this is the same Lexmark, but here my Wi-Fi Lexmark, here is my USB Lexmark. So click OK on one of that and wait a while. Now select the scanner is busy. Okay, I need to click cancel on my printer, go home, and I need to cancel the job. So deleting the job. Great, and now I need to try it again. So Lexmark, if you don't know how to cancel the job, you need to watch my video about it. And now my Lexmark is scanning the paper card in my scanner. So wait a while, and great. Image was successfully scanned. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.